In this video, we're going to unbox this supercomputer. So I'm going to show you everything that comes inside of this unit. And as you can see here, we're going to build this out. There you go. Hopefully, no, we should be able to see it. So if you see here, in the, as usual, Apple, I don't like much the marketing, but you don't see the specs, except if you go here and then you start reading all the small print, the part number, serial number, and all the things. Other than that, it should be very fast. So now let's take this out of the box. As you can see here, we're going to, this is getting cocked here, and we're going to open this up. There we go. We have the supercomputer here. Wow, it's heavy. All right, so we have the power core. It comes with this treble core, and as you can see here, we are going to be able to remove it very easily from here. There we go. Oh, I like it. It's all fabric outside, so it looks premium. Let's see if we have something else here. I think there should not be anything else here. All right, as you can see, it comes with the arrow. You just open this up, grab it from here. Easy enough. I thought that there was going to be something else inside, and I don't see anything else. So the only thing that I see is here. We may have some stickers, manuals, some paperwork, and we have the Apple logo, and that's it. So now we're going to put this back the way it was, and hopefully this computer will last for many, many years. There we go. Close it. Nice. Comes with the straps here. If you have to move it in from one place to another. So we have the paper here. There you go. Very nice. It comes with this paper here. Okay. It gives it some grip, and there you go. So now we're going to put this out of the way. And here we have the back. So we have a 4 USB-C, as you can see here. We have the Ethernet port, the power supply here, the connector, regular USB, HDMI, the audio jack. Here you can turn it on and off. So as you can see here, we have the mesh, so that way the computer can breathe. And here it has a small hole. Maybe it's to take it apart if you have to. Hopefully you don't have to. And here we have the front. So we have more USB-Cs here, and we have the SD card here. So now we're going to try to hook it up and see how it goes.